6, a CBS 4 News safety alert that could impact thousands of people. It's a warning to everyone who lives in a condo. Your sprinkler system may be defective and you could be in danger. A class action lawsuit alleges that companies knowingly installed defective pipes in buildings across the country. CBS 4 anchor Rick Folbaum is here with what we need to know. Rick.
Elliot, this problem is so large that even the class action lawyers have no idea how many buildings in the country it affects, but they say the numbers could reach into the thousands and damages in the millions. Yours could be one of them, and it all starts with a pipe.
It's a plastic pipe, obviously.
This type of plastic pipe is usually used in sprinkler systems in condos. It connects the steel pipes that run up the building and the water supply.
Occur near these transition points, and the reason that occurs is because this is a point of relatively high stress.
The lawsuit alleges that the sprinkler system doesn't have sufficient pressure to work effectively because the chemical used to connect the pipes causes cracks and leaks, damaging buildings. These are photos of how the problems begin.
We've experienced leaks, breaks in the fire sprinkler system, specifically in the pipes throughout the building, in units and in common areas.
One of the lead plaintiffs in the class action lawsuit is Latitude on the river in Brickell. It was built in 2007. They've experienced hundreds of thousands of dollars in damage and assumed it was just wear and tear, but attorneys say it was negligence in the part of the manufacturer.
So it's a classic case of profits over people and sales over safety.
The lawsuit also claims manufacturers knew about the defect and covered it up.
Because the companies that are involved, and we'll explain in more detail, had actual knowledge that there would be a failure. It was tested by their own experts in their own laboratories, and the chief chemist said this resin that makes up the CPVC piping that goes on the ceiling of the sprinkler systems will fail.
Attorneys showed copies of internal emails claiming the companies were aware of the issue as early as 2007 and continued to use the chemicals and the pipes as late as 2012.
And as to the corporations that actually knew about the problem, that conspired to keep it away from the public, that are endangering the lives of millions of individuals as we speak, we're going to be seeking punitive damages to punish and deter others from acting similarly.
Attorneys are asking you to come forward if you're living in a large condo building that was built between 2004 and 2012. If you're getting leaks and or mold or fungus in your ceiling, they're also calling on management groups to check if a hybrid system of metal and a specific type of plastic pipe was used for the sprinkler system. They say if it was, then your building is at risk. Elliot.
Rick, thank you. And attorneys say repairing these buildings could cost anywhere between $50 to $100 million per building. For a full list of manufacturers that are named in the lawsuit, you can go to our website, cbsmiami.com.